Welcome back to another video. Today I'm working on this Chevy CRUZE, and I have a funny idle, and I'm going to clean this sensor up here, which is the mass airflow sensor. I'm gonna clean that up, and I'm gonna show y'all what I use to clean it up. Sometimes this helps, and sometimes it doesn't. And also, if you have a P1101, this will also help. But without further ado, let's get right into this. But before we get into this, make sure you like and subscribe. All right, we're gonna take off this clip here just by pressing down and pulling off. All right, and you got two screws that's holding in right here. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Take those two screws out. Right, just simply pull it out. What you want to do is clean that up right there. And basically, I'm gonna use this cleaner here, this CRC brake clean, very good product. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Just spray it, let it dry for a little bit, let it air dry. Don't wipe it off or anything with a towel. You don't want to get lint or dirt on it. This product, this cleaner dries pretty fast, so go ahead and put it back in. Very quick and easy. Nothing hard about this. Anybody can do this. This is your mass airflow sensor. And plug it back up. All right, we're gonna crank it up. All right, I had to reset the computer because I took the sensor off and everything, but this is at cold start. As you can see, it's idling very nicely here. If this was helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. I will be making more videos about cleaning sensors, so stay tuned for that. Have a good one.